In this lesson, we'll see how to integrate Python code into an AI Cloud workflow using the execute Python operator. This lets us run custom logic directly in our workflow, perfect for making quick calculations and transformations. Let's start by adding our dataset. From the Data Assets section, we choose Files, then click Add Data. We upload our sample sales data, and once it appears in the file list, we click the file name to preview it. Here we can see order details, product information, and other data for each sales transaction. Next, we create a new workflow. We click New, then select Workflow Studio. We give it a name, add a description if you want, and click Create and Start. We'll begin by adding an input operator for our sales data. We search for input in the operator list, drag it to the canvas, then in the parameters panel, choose File Location, select Data, and pick our uploaded sales data. Now, to compute the total sales for each transaction, we add an execute Python operator. We search for it, drag it onto the canvas, and connect the input operator to input 1 on the execute Python operator. Finally, we add an output operator. We search, drag, and connect it to output 1 of the execute Python operator. In its parameters, we set file location to data and give the file a name for the saved results. Now we'll add our Python code. We select the execute Python operator, and in the parameters tab, we choose RMBase as the coding environment. To customize the operator to work on our data, we click the pencil icon to open the code editor. Here's where we put in our code to calculate the total sales by multiplying quantity by unit price for each transaction. Then we save it and close the editor. Let's run it. And once it's done, we check the results table. We can now see a brand new column, Total Sales, added to the dataset. The output file is also saved with the rest of the project's data. And that's it. We took a dataset, built a workflow, and used the execute Python operator to add a custom calculation. It's a quick but powerful way for us to enhance our workflows and get more meaningful insights from our data.